Hey, welcome back. So today, ito solve natin improper input validation, repetitive registration. Ang hint niya is you can solve this cleverly interacting with the user interface or bypassing it altogether. Click for details. Masyadong matalinhaga or malalim itong clue niya. Bypassing it altogether. I've already solved this kanina. So usually it takes me 1 hour to solve the basic ones. Hindi ko alam itong mga advanced na. Pero for this one and the past, o yung iba-ibang challenges na na-solve na natin, in the last 1 hour at least, solve it. So let's get to it. Let's go here. OSU shop. Ano ba yung proper input validation? Input validation usually po, script siya server side o kaya client side that will check kung tama ba yung pinasok na information dun sa box. Usually makikita natin siya sa registration form, login forms. Okay? Kunyari ito, mali yung password. Maglalagin ba siya? Hindi. Hindi. Kasi input validation, it will check tama ba tong password for this email address. Right? So para ma-solve natin yung challenge na yun, I'll show you kung paano ko na-solve siya. Ibarin natin to. Test at testing.com. That's the email address. Input validation on this box. Email address is not valid. So naghahanap siya ng .com on this part. Pero kung hinabaan mo lang, lumalabas pa rin. So merong input validation na nangyayari dito. I'm not really sure kung ano yung script niya, but we're not going to figure it out today. Ang gagawin natin is kung paano ma-solve ito. Maiden name. Okay. Pag pumasa yung validation, lalabas yung register button. Pero ngayon, wala pa. So let's play with this. Sabihin natin password is the password. 8 characters out of 20. Pasado siya on this part. Pero kung sabihin natin testing, diba? Okay pa din. Hindi. Passwords do not match. Kung testing, paano kung habaan natin 8 characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hindi pa rin. 8 characters na to, hindi pa rin siya pumapasa sa input validation dahil ito yung feedback mechanism natin, hindi lumalabas yung register button. So yung password dito is password. Let's try it, password. There you go, it matches. Diba? 8 characters, 8 characters. Now, para ma-solve mo yung challenge, di ba lumabas to? Pero pag binago mo to, dinagdagan mo isang character, nawala. So, tanggalin natin isang character para password pa rin siya. We'll do it here. Password, add one more character. 9 characters, 8 characters, pero lumabas yung register button. So, this will solve the challenge. Okay? So, makita nyo na green na siya on my dashboard. Okay? I hope that makes sense. See you next time.